Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Kayla and the Kitty Cats channel. Look who is here. It's Sunday morning. And look who is here. I didn't see her I left Friday. It's Friday. I didn't see her back. Excuse me. Today is Sunday. Guys, she have a lot of fleas. Where all cat get fleas? Where they get it from? Little, but her head, guys, little. Her head little. Just a little so. It just little so. It just little so. I can't believe that a cat can be so tame just I even know couple. She's just friendly. She's just extra friendly. That's all I can see. She's extra friendly. I hope when she grows up she still come and look for me. I was thinking about her when she didn't come, And then this morning I'm sleeping in my bed. I wake up and I feed my cats and then I left the door open and who I heard? And she come in. Meow meow. And I told her that she wasn't supposed to, I thought she was gonna come on my bed, because I fed her and then I was laying down. But she didn't come up on my bed. She actually stayed down here on the ground. And then I heard her calling me, so I just come down and sit in with her. She's so friendly. Look at this cat. She's so friendly. She's too friendly, if you ask me. Okay, she's happy, She's a happy cat. She's a happy cat. Happy cat, happy cat. Happy cat. You see this guy? A cat give me this mark on my hand. Sarah. Happy cat, happy cat. But she's small, guys. She's very small. But it's a nice cat. She's gonna be a lovely cat. She's gonna be a lovely cat when she grows up. Black and white. Lovely cat. Sarah going to drink water. Why Sarah always do that madness when she's drinking water? I don't know. Don't go over there. Sarah gonna slap you. Possible. Yes, what you need? What you need? Go drink water and Sarah finish. Why are you biting me? I'm not your master, so you shouldn't bite me. I don't need no bites from you. Come. Come. Sarah is not friendly, come. Sarah is jealous. She'll slap you. Guys, Sarah is always a jealous cat, Always. Stop. Come. Even when Pia was here, she was very jealous. She's always a jealous cat. Always. So I know that she would have slapped her. Come. She wanna get some water, Sarah. Can you excuse from there? Does she look on her? Come. Come. Don't go near Sarah, okay? Sarah will beat you up. She jealous. She don't want to share her mother, okay? So you can't go there when she's there. I know you want to friend her. I know. She know that you're a good girl. Sarah, you must be nice. Sarah, you must be nice. Oh boy. Maybe she soon warm up to you, okay? Just give her a little time. Give her a little time, okay? Give her a little time. Give her a little time. Give her a little time to warm up to you. She don't know you yet. But even when she knows you, she's still gonna beat you up. She's still gonna beat you up because you're taking over her mother, you know? She's very jealous. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. And we will see you in our next video. Hope Stray Kitty come give us more content, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling a little bit, you know, and then I'll start my Sunday. So I'll see you in our next video. Sorry to be yarning, but it just came. Sorry. No more food. No more food, okay? I can't afford to feed you. Can't afford to feed you. Yeah. Alright guys, peace out. Peace.